Hello, students. How you doing? Hope you're having a good Tuesday. Hey, if you look at today's assignment, you're going to go to week 4, all right? Tuesday activity. There's two reading strategies or two skills that we're using. Number one, we are using an SWBST to summarize our 7th grade story. Okay. Now, the cool thing about an SWBST, it's simple to use and it's a really effective way to make a summary happen. And you'll find the SWBST by going all the way down to your reading tools, and then you go SWBST helper. Okay, so when you go there, it's going to look like this. Okay, and it says how to write a summary, use SWBST strategy. And so this is what it stands for. The S stands for somebody, the W stands for wanted, and then the B is for but, the S is for so, and the T is for then. And you can use it right in this order. So notice the somebody is the main character of our story. And then we say what they wanted, but there's a conflict, there's a problem that happens. So what does that character do to try to solve the problem? And then basically, how does the story end? Okay, I just did a quick little example with the 3 little pigs, since that's what we used yesterday. And I put the 3 little pigs, the main characters. What did they want? They wanted to build houses, but there's a conflict. The big bad wolf would blow them down. So how did they try to solve it? The 3rd pig built a strong house with strong materials, right? And then how did it end? And then they were safe. Okay, so when you're taking a very big story or just some kind of reading, and then you have to minimize it down to just one statement, this is a good way to be organized with that. Okay, so make sure you use this while you are doing your answering for the question today. Okay. So notice when you go to your thing for the day, it says directions. Write a summary of our short story using the SWBST strategy. Okay, and I have what everything stands for. Okay, so when you answer it, you can literally put number 1, SWBST, and then write what that statement would be. What's that summary of our 7th grade story by Gary Soto? Okay. Now, number 2, we want you to work on word choice. And so we want to take our elementary writing, right? We want to put that away and we want to up our game. And so the way that we do that is we look at keywords that maybe we might use when we write, and we want to be more specific and be at a higher level. So if you take a word like ran or run, right? There's so many more options that you could choose that gives us a better look at what kind of run did it look like. And so I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put 6 different animals here, right? And I want you to just put right by each animal in your answer, what kind of run was it? So for instance, a horse. Does a horse run? Well, yeah, but what's a better word? Maybe gallop, right? So you could put horse, gallop, right? Now, if you need help finding different options for run, we say Google thesaurus ran or run. And a thesaurus is a website like this, thesaurus.com, and it's going to give you other words that are just like the word you're choosing. Okay, so give that a look because that will help you out.